So today we're going to be drawing a duck, but it's not too similar to my rainbow duck if you had seen that. I got this pen for Christmas. You might remember this from my chocolate bear. I have a white pen instead of white. And my friend's over here. So let's draw the duck. This is its head. Now, I'm going to save its beak for last, and here's the fuzzy on top of its head. That's the fuzzy on the side of its head. And then, we're going to draw its feet. Now, this is its tail. Its tail. Now for its face. And now for the beak. There's a perfect duck. Now let's color it. We don't need our pen, we just need some markers or crayons. Now this is totally your choice of what colors you want to color it, but I'm coloring it purple and pink. And rainbow on the beak. It might be cute. I'm actually gonna save that for later. Forgot to do one stripe on his tail, so I gotta get out my pen again. Do another tail. He doesn't have 6 tails. I just meant another tail stripe. I promise this is a different purple, but next it's gonna be pink. Another pink. It would be weird if the last one was purple, so I'm giving another pink to it. Now, I'm going to put away these markers and get out a green and a blue. For the eyes. Away my blue, and then use my green. Now, this is why I got out my white pen. I like to call the colors of the tail the colors of love. So now, for the beak, it's gonna be rainbow. Here's an acidy yellow color. I'm bringing out the green from his eye again. Then, finally, some purple, then blue. Oops, I forgot something. Did you know that? You probably do, but I have an app phone that I normally use for drawing stuff, but today I just made this up. Here's my perfect duck. This is what it actually is. You might have been weirded out because this doesn't look like a duck at all. Well, unicorn plus cat equals Unicat. April Fool's